Good morning, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial, it's going to be on using the Builderall digital marketing platform. And today's topic will be on how you can add a favicon to your website that you're using. And it's going to be done using the Cheetah Builder within the Builderall platform. So right now I have a test site up right here. And what do I mean by a favicon? A favicon is when you open up a browser and it's on a particular site, there's an icon right up here. I'm circling it right now up on the top. The tab will have a little icon. It's a little icon that identifies your site. And this favicon also appears on whenever you bookmark a page. So I'm going to show you some of my bookmarks, but see this favicon right here? It also appears in that situation also. So let's see how we can add this favicon to your website using the Cheetah Builder in Builderall. Right now I'm in a Builderall platform, my dashboard, and I'm also in the Cheetah Builder right now, which is in beta version right now. But anyways, I have this site that you just saw. So once you have a site up, you can come to this site, this page right here, and click on Edit Site. So let me now, once you're in the Edit Site dashboard area, you have this menu system over here to the left. So where you want to go is Site Settings. And now down here is a section called Favicon. So this is my current favicon that I have. As you can see, this matches with up here on this tab, this favicon. So in order to change it or add it for the first time, you can come over here and click on the Choose button. And it brings up a screen that shows all your files that you have uploaded under the Builderall platform, and they belong to you underneath your account. So right now I have these files here that I could choose from. If you don't already have a favicon, what you do is you come over here, select a file, and you choose it from your computer. Once you do that, you click Open, and then the process begins over here. It says Uploading File. And so once it does that, then you could come over here and click on Select, and it'll show it. Now, just in case there's a bug with it not showing for the first time, all you have to do is click Cancel, and then come back in here, and it refreshes this list of images for you. So right now I'm going to choose one that exists, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to select this one and come over here, click on the Select button, and see it changes it here. Now all you have to do is just scroll down and click on this Save button down here. So I'm going to click on Save. Now it's saving the changes. Now if I come over here and refresh this screen, and there it is. My new favicon has been uploaded and chosen, and it's updated up here for your site. So I just wanted to show you a quick way to add your favicon using a Builderall platform and using the Cheetah Builder to build your websites. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you today. Please stop by. I upload multiple videos during the week. And subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when a new video is ready. And also please like, share, and comment. I'd appreciate it. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video.